Hey, you know how there's all these like motivational posters and whatnot? I think I decided what I want to sell as a digital product.
Really?
Anti-motivational posters. Anti-motivational sayings? Like, give me a motivational saying. Okay, believe you can and you're halfway there. Doubt yourself, you're already stuck in the starting blocks.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Settle for a job you hate and the mediocrity will follow.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal.
Success is fleeting, failure defines you forever.
Your time is limited, don't waste your time living someone else's life.
Conform to societal expectations because your dreams can wait.
Strive not to be a success, but rather to add value.
Success is all that matters. Forget about making a positive impact.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Dreams are unrealistic. Focus on the present, not the future.
Be yourself, everyone else is already taken.
Conform to fit in. Being yourself is overrated.
It always seems impossible until it's done.
If it seems impossible, it probably is. Don't bother trying.
Oh my God.